Hello there, Chris, boiler installation specialist. Right, once again, oil boiler installation. So what we're going to do is, I come here yesterday and the boiler had been condemned. The boiler is a combination boiler in the kitchen, and the flue went through the chimney, which is up there, but the customers wanted more room in the kitchen, so we're going to place the boiler, an external combination boiler outside. So this is what we have here. We're going to get it more in situ in a minute, but what we're going to do, I'm going to measure exactly where my pipes are going to come into the property. We don't want no exposed pipe work, water pipe work coming up or anything like that, because this is going to freeze and burst in the winter. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this sleeve here, and we're just going to mark a hole which is in our boiler here. You see my hands coming through there. I'm going to drill through the wall and have my pipe work, have that in a sleeve coming through like so, and have my pipe work inside there, insulated, so it goes through, so it's protected in the winter when you want the boiler the most, and it's just a much better preferable installation. And what we'll do, we'll have the flue coming out the right hand side, and that's it really. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll do a video when this is all finished so you can see what it looks like. But this boiler comes with a 7-year guarantee for complete peace of mind for the customers. So that is Worcester looking after the boiler, parts and labour unlimited. So customers can just sit back and enjoy their new boiler. Thank you.